Good girl, Bagheera. You're a good girl.
Nope. Are you sneezing on my cookie? What are you doing? Huh? It's a long time there, bud. Good job. Does that mean that you want the cookie? Hmm? Is that what that means? You are going faster there. Nope. Are you barking at the cookie?
This is Deborah with Angel the Standard Poodle. I'm getting her colored for Halloween, and I've cut the pattern in, and I'm doing the second round of color. She's being a good girl this time for having to stand for a while. Decided to go daring this time and put a funny pattern on her also for Halloween. And I'm using mostly Manic Panic color. I used Siren right here for this, and then Rock and Roll Blue, Rock and Roll Blue, Rock and Roll Blue right here. And then I did Opause for the green. And it was Tender Green, which came out a little too yellow for my liking. And then also I used Profound Green, which was a better color. So looking forward to giving her the next round of color, which will be the warm colors of oranges and reds. So she's got 20 minutes to stand while she has the color set. Stay tuned.